Beyond the city walls of ancient Kourion, one can find the ruins of a historic stadium where people gathered during festivals. This ancient stadium, constructed in the late 2nd century AD, is the only one of its kind excavated in Cyprus. It was designed in a U-shape and could accommodate up to 6,000 spectators. The stadium hosted various athletic events, including the Hellenic pentathlon, which featured running, jumping, wrestling, and throwing the discus or javelin. Today, the ruins of this stadium stand as a testament to the rich cultural and sporting heritage of ancient Kourion.